We out here. Adobo and purple haze salt free. So we're going to do a combo on an octopus and radish salad. I know, but if you like octopus, it's time to get your hands a little wet, and we're going to work on breaking this down. So you want to wash it in some salt water, let it soak there for about 15-20 minutes, and then rinse it off in some fresh water. You're going to slice it just below the eyes where they would be, remove the beak, and then divide up those tentacles. There should be 8. You're going to add your adobo, purple haze salt-free blend, some Evo, and a little bit of garlic cloves. Put that in the vac seal and then get it in your sous vide for 5 hours at 170 degrees. It's going to be perfect. Tenderized. All we're going to do is flash it on the grill, get a little bit of char. Take the rest of that blend that you made and then some fresh lime juice, honey, white wine vinegar, some Evo, and make a vinaigrette. Just let it sit. The longer it sits, the better it gets. So when those tentacles come out, you're just going to flash them on the grill, get a little bit of char on the outside, nice and crispy. That adds to the flavor. Toss all of your vegetables you sliced up and put on a water bath because that's what you did until your salad was ready. Toss everything together. Put that octo on top, maybe drizzle a little bit more vinaigrette. It's just going to be a really, really bright, fresh salad for spring or summer. And you used octopus. If this is your first time doing that, congratulations. You have graduated to Foodie's First Octopus. Real cute. And it's not tough, it's tender. You got 8 chances to get this right. So experiment with flavor.